Welcome to Life in Farmland. I'm going to be making Great Grandma's pudding.
Oh! Fudge. Say it a couple times.
So hey guys, welcome to a new series that we're trying out called Homemade Fridays. The intention of the series is to share a lot of easy, delicious, cooking from scratch recipes that you can do right at home. I think it's pretty important to get to know the ingredients that go into your food, and by cooking from scratch, you know exactly what's going in there and can make adjustments as needed. So today we're whipping up some fudge from my wife's grandmother's recipe. She's really well known for her desserts and bars, and this recipe has been tried and true. Matter of fact, this thing's been around so long that there was one ingredient that we had to go out and Google search for. We noticed that it called for Oleo, which is just another alternative name for margarine 50 plus years ago. We asked in the last video if any of the smarty pants out there knew what margarine alternative name was, and there was a lot of you guys that got it. It was something new for us, that's for sure. Today we're actually going to swap out margarine. We just feel like butter is a more healthy solution, but you're more than welcome to use margarine if that's something you would prefer to use.
Welcome to Life in Farmland. I am going to be making Great Grandma's fudge.
1 is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. 2 can be
3 cups sugar.
the loneliest number since the number 1. 1 is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. 2 can be as bad as 1. It's the loneliest number.
2/3 of CARNATION milk.
1 is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. 2 can be as bad as 1. It's the loneliest number since the number 1.
We want to simmer for 5 minutes. And the whole time you're going to be mixing. Stir, stir, stir.
It's the loneliest number since the number 1.
Smells so good. A whole bag of chocolate chips. A half a bag of marshmallows.
Number since the number 1. 1 is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.
And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This one.
1 is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.
We're going to use a 8x8 pan.
It's the loneliest number since the number 1. 1 is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. 2 can be as bad as 1. It's the loneliest number since the number 1.
If you're nuts, add some nuts.
1 is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. 2 can be as bad as 1. It's the loneliest number since the number 1.